नमस्कार, म अरुण झा। हजुरहरू टिभी सेट अगाडि बसिराख्नुभएका हाम्रो सम्पूर्ण भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई स्वागत छ दिस डिस्टेन्स लर्निङ प्रोग्राममा। आज हामी कक्षा 6 क्लासको लागि टुडे वी आर डिस्कसिङ अबाउट अल्जेब्रा फर क्लास 6 क्लासको लागि आज अल्जेब्रा हामी पढाउँछौँ। यसमा अल्जेब्रा भन्ने शब्द यो नयाँ आयो भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई। टुडे यु आर फिलिङ जस्ट लाइक इट अल्जेब्रा टिल ग्रेड 5th you have studied about 4 fundamental operation. That 4 fundamental operation where your plus, minus, multiplication and division. This is the 4 fundamental operation. Using these symbols and few more things which I will tell you, this algebra is introduced by algebra, something that the name of this algebra is derived from there. Now in this algebra, before this algebra, we are going to discuss some the matters that is our here. This is the number 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and A, B, C, D and so on. This is the constant. This term is called constant, as well as this term is called variables. What is the constant? Suppose this is my hand. How many fingers are there? यहाँ चाहिँ कतिवटा औँला हो? 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ओके, तो 5 भनेको constant छ त हुँदैन. This is the 6 only. Okay, so 6 means 5th means 5 means 5 only. So it is the constant term. Okay, and variable. How to derive the variable? You come here, A, B, C, D. These are used as a variable numbers. Now you look how to use it. Suppose this is the 5 into x. 5 is multiplied by x. What is 5? What is x? This is the constant, this is the variable. Regarding this, you sabai regarding garera, we are going to study one separate mathematics that is called algebra. Okay, so this is the first time you are studying this. भाइ बहिनीहरू हैन, यो फर्स्ट टाइम अल्जेब्रा आयो गणितमा है। अब यो अल्जेब्रालाई अझै बुझ्नलाई हामी यसमा अननोन नम्बर, वी आर फाइन्डिङ अननोन नम्बर। अननोन थाहा छैन, तर त्यो झिक्नु पर्ने, त्यो नम्बर निकाल्नु पर्ने। त्यो कसरी निकालिन्छ त? हाउ टु फाइन्ड इट? हाउ टु फाइन्ड इट? यु लुक, एउटा अलिकति just we are playing one that things that you have balloon भनेको थाहा छ? ब्यालुन छ हामीसँग है, अनि यो ब्यालुन चाहिँ तिमीहरूसँग छ भाइ बहिनी, हामीसँग। यसबाट हावा हुन्डरी थियो, हावा हुन्डरी थियो, केही ब्यालुन चाहिँ यसबाट फुटेर गयो, फुट्यो, त्यो थाहा छैन। वी डोन्ट नो द्याट हाउ मेनी ब्यालुन वेयर ब्रस्ट, बट हामीलाई अब चाहिँ हामीसँग दुईटा ब्यालुन मात्रै छ, दुईटा ब्यालुन मात्रै छ भनेपछि कतिवटा गयो त? कतिवटा ब्रस्ट भयो? हाउ मेनी हेज ब्रस्ट? This is the term which you have to find. Oh, this is the very simple. You can find it very easily. You can find it. थाहा छ हामीलाई 1 2 3 4 5 हैन 1 2 3 4 5 वटा ब्यालुन थियो त्यसबाट चाहिँ दुई कतिवटा ब्रस्ट भयो र हामीसँग दुईटा रह्यो answer is very easy you can calculate it and you can tell the answer but we have to find unknown when the quantities are more bigger larger numbers then how to find it so for that larger number this maths will teach you about how to find that number this is the 5 it's okay you can get it but for larger number how to find it yes that is your unknown quantity whenever we are finding unknown quantities that is supposed to be variable varies garcha that unknown quantities when we are finding it so let's suppose what is that how to find it unknown quantity that is your x 5 balloon you have you don't know how much breasted and now you have to भाइ बहिनीसँग दुईटा रह्यो पाँचवटा ब्यालुन थियो कतिवटा गयो थाहै छैन है त्यो झिक्नलाई हामीले अब हेर यसमा प्रोसेस छ म पक्कै सिकाउँछु यसले तात्कालको लागि चाहिँ हामी चाहिँ यो गर्दै छु 5 minus 2 is equal to x यो रुल्सहरु पनि अगाडि क्लासमा नेक्स्ट क्लासेस we will discuss how to use this why this came this side how it went that side to gradually we will go it right now 3 how many balloon breasted कतिवटा ब्यालुन छैन हामीसँग तीनवटा फुटायो हावाउन्डरीले that breasted 3 balloons so in this way whatever this mathematics it is also one branch of mathematics this is only the algebra in this algebra few more example you can take just this is one bucket या यो हाम्रो कचौडा हो यसमा अलिकति केही सामान छ momo in this lockdown period it is very difficult to get the momos even though your mom cooked for you this much momo to you momo को यो चाहिँ यति चाहिँ मम्मीले पकाइदिनु भयो अब कान्छो भाइले तीनवटा मोमो खाइदियो तीनवटा मोमो खाइदियो कान्छो भाइले अब भनौं त कतिवटा रह्यो त अनि तिम्रो हिस्सा आउँछ then you will get your chance so total how many momos were there and your brother ate 3 momos now how to find it how many momos you have now the digitally जब हम नम्बर मा लान्छौं 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 जम्मा ममुले your mom cooked 8 and now 3 your brother ate now how much left for you how much left for you that's it a known quantity जब हामी unknown quantity लाई थाहा गर्छौं झिक्छौं त्यतिखेर नै अल्जेब्रा को युज हुन्छ र अल्जेब्रा मा अरु पनि केही बहुत सारा बेसिक कुराहरु छन् जो चाहिँ हामीलाई बुझ्नु पर्ने हुन्छ हैन र यो अल्जेब्रा को टपिक आजको टपिक नै हो हाम्रो introduction to algebra है introduction to algebra now contents what we are going to discuss today that is our what is algebra variable constants coefficient है अनि के ग्रीक कार्ड्स पनि दिन्छु few home assignment also I will give you what is algebra that again let once again start that one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on these are the number used as constant these are the A, B, C, right? D, E, F, G, यसरी x y र z देयर आर 26 अल्फाबेट ABCD मा हामी पढ्दाखेरि कतिवटा अल्फाबेट छन् त 26 वटा है दिस वान युज्ड एज भेरिएबल जसको भ्यालु भेरिजेस गर्छ अब अलिकति यहाँ पत्ता लाउँ त कसरी भ्यालु भेरिजेस गर्दै गयो त है कसरी भ्यालुहरु बढ्दै जान्छ घट्दै जान्छ अब जस्तो मानौ यो 5 अनि a अब 5 त चेन्ज हुँदैन 5 is 5 only it is a constant it won't be changed always 5 is 5 until and unless if any other factor is not implied here then that is the a suppose a is हामी लिन सक्छौं 0 2 3 1 2 3 4 यसरी now you look if we are taking a as a 0 हामीले यो a को ठाउँमा 0 हाल्यौं भने 5 into 0 that is your 0 0 भयो तर 5 into a लियौं भने a को भ्यालु 1 लियौं भने 5 आउँछ यस्तै 5 को भ्यालु हामीले 2 लियौं भने 10 आउँछ हामीले के अब्जर्भ गरिरहेछौं हामीले के बुझिरहेछौं त पक्कै यो a ले surely this a is affecting here in this 5a हैन त a is variable means a को भ्यालु भ्यारिजेस हुँदै जान्छ डिफरेन्ट हामी लिन सक्छौं हामी जब डिटेल्स मा पढ्छौं त्यतिखेर हामीलाई यो थाहा हुन्छ when that time you will know most well thatly कि that a is changing their value डिफरेन्ट भ्यालु लिन सकिन्छ त्यसैले यो यसलाई हामी चाहिँ भेरिएबल्स भन्छौं जसको भ्यालु भ्यारिजेस गरोस् है र यो चाहिँ हाम्रो कन्स्टेन्ट हो जसलाई हामी कन्स्टेन्ट भन्छौं फिक्स वोन्ट चेन्जै हुँदैन यो एकदम फिक्स्ड हुन्छ हैन त त्यसैले यसलाई कन्स्टेन्ट र यसलाई भेरिएबल भन्छौं अब हामीसँग के हुन्छ भने जस्ट whenever we are convert to language to the mathematics यसमा अलजेब्रा को युज छ जस्तो केही क्वान्टिटी find if a number is increased by 5 एउटा यस्तो नम्बर जो 5 ले बढ्न खोज्दै छ a number which is increased by 5 how to define it a number increased by 5 what is that number the let is the question हरुलाई a number increased by 5 यसको नम्बर a number increased by 5 let that number is a यहाँ चाहिँ हामीले मान्छौं let that number be a the a plus 5 भएको भएन a number x is decreased by 7 decrease भनेको घट्नु हैन increased means बढ्नु हैन when the value is decreases हैन so then just suppose a number is decreased by a number is decreased by 7 एउटा यस्तो नम्बर जो 7 ले घट्दै छ घट्न खोज्दै छ व्हाट इज दैट स्टेटमेन्ट यो एउटा स्टेटमेन्ट भयो कथन भयो यो स्टेटमेन्टलाई हामी चाहिँ चेन्ज गर्न सक्छौं वी क्यान चेन्ज इट हाउ let that number be x एउटा x भेरिएबल एउटा चर अचर नेपालीबाट बुझ्दाखेरि एउटा चर हुन्छ एउटा अचर हुन्छ कन्स्टेन्ट एन्ड भेरिएबल यसको भ्यालु चाहिँ बढ्दै छ घट्दै छ तर यो स्टेटमेन्टले यसले के भन्न खोज्दै छ भने व्हाट द मिनिङ अफ दिस वन अ नम्बर इज डिक्रिज्ड बाइ 7 इट मीन्स व्हाट अ नम्बर इज डिक्रिज्ड लेट दैट नम्बर बी x त्यो नम्बर हामी चाहिँ x मान्न खोज्दै छौं हैन अ नम्बर इज डिक्रिज्ड बाइ 7 यो 7 ले घट्न खोज्दैछ यो नम्बर हामीले x we have supposed to be x घट्न खोज्दैछ decreased by decreased means going to subtract minus 7 यही त भयो this statement is can be transferred into in this way. This is the what statement, mathematical statement. In this algebra we are starting, and earlier I told you 4 fundamental operation which you will be use here जो हामी use गर्छौं यहाँ. What is that? In mathematics there are 4 fundamental operators only. Which are they? They are your addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The addition is what? Addition जोड्दै जाने जोड, subtraction घटाउ घट्दै जान्छ. Actually math मा यो दुई जना मात्रै दुई जनाले काम गर्छ. In this mathematics only addition and subtraction process is there, but multiplication and division is also over there. What do you mean by multiplication? Why only to addition? You look अलिकति यो एक्स्ट्रा चीज यो हाम्रो अल्जेब्रा भन्दा बाहिर मन लाग्यो भाइ बहिनीहरुलाई सिकाइदिउँ. यो 4 फंडामेंटल ऑपरेशन हैन. यो एडिशन भनेको 2 + 2 + 2 + 2 है. What is that? How much? भन भाइ बहिनी इन्जॉय गर्दैछौ. म्याथ्स हो. म्याथ बहुत इजी सब्जेक्ट हो, भेरी इजी. कहिले पनि टेन्सन नलिनु कि म्याथ इज भेरी स्ट्रङ, हाउ कुड आई सल्भ द म्याथ्स, दिस दैट. नो, म्याथ इज इजिएस्ट सब्जेक्ट and math is true. 5 + 5 is 10, then 10 only. Either where you are, no matter, but 5 + 5 is 10 only. True subject, interesting subject. Okay, so come here, addition. Addition that gives to you 2 + 2 4 6 8 8. Okay, so you look, I told this addition is over here. This is the repeated multiplication, means 1 2 3 4 4 चोटी 2 4 2 is 4 times, that gives to you 8. You look, repeated, this multiplication is repeated form of addition. That's why multiplication and addition both are correlated. Okay, similarly just like 10 minus 10, that gives to you 0. It is the subtraction भयो. अब यसमा 10 divided by 10, that is your 1. यहाँ हेर्दाखेरि के भयो भने हामीसँग यो 4टा स्टेप मात्रै छ. Which are they? They are your plus, minus, multiplication and division. ये हाम्रो म्याथ्स को 4 fundamental operators haru hun, which we will use here in this chapter as a operators. Now comes to next class, next one, that how to solve this one. एउटा अझै क्वेशन म दिन्छु here. One more question I am giving here. That one is your 5 is 4 times of 5 is increased by 3. Mathematical operation. Here, how to do it? The 5 is increased by 3 means 3. No variable. Constant ले पनि भ्याउँछ अहिले. Constant. अब now few. What is algebra? The part of mathematics in which letters and other general symbols are used to represent the numbers and quantities is formulated equation. Now variable is this x y z. थाहा भयो हैन. Now constant number पनि थाहा भयो. अब now k number that is multiplied to be a variable is coefficient. अब now म एउटा केही यो भाइ बहिनीहरुलाई होम असाइनमेन्ट गृह कार्य दिन चाहन्छु. I have written in English. Just try it and solve this 4. Sum is only there. Today we are going to conclude it. The class, next class हामी फेरि लिन्छौँ, तर भोलिका लागि हाम्रो विज्ञान विषयको पढाइ हुनेछ। विज्ञान भोलि चाहिँ विज्ञान साइन्स पढाइ हुन्छ। You be ready with this time and I would be the next time. So this homework, do as a homework, गृह कार्य गर्नुस्। यो 4टा मैले थोरै दिएँ र आजको लागि हामी चाहिँ यति नै राख्छौँ। Next time I will come with their operation, how the 4 fundamental operation will operated. Okay, thank you. Just enjoy yourself. Thank you.